Hello everyone, welcome to the How To channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Android not powering off. Now guys, your go-to solution for every single time you have this issue is to hold down the power button until you see the little pop-up that comes up. If it does, then your problem is solved. Now all you need to do is to just click power off and your Android should be powered off. Now, if that doesn't work, another solution for you is to swipe down from the top of your screen 2 times, and at the top right hand corner of the screen, you will be seeing the power button over there. Now, once you tap on that power button, your Android should be powered off. Now, another solution is to force restart your device. Now, by force restarting your device, you are going to be holding down the power button until your phone goes off. Now you are not waiting for any pop-up that states restart or turn off. You are just going to be holding that button down until the Android forcefully powers off. Now another solution to this problem is checking if your device has an update. Now sometimes your device, just like your application, they start to misbehave once the device is due for an update. Now just go to your settings and then you want to scroll over to where you see software updates. Now I'm just going to tap to see if I have a software update. Now guys, as you can see, my software is up to date, but if mine is not up to date, all I need to do is to update my software on my phone and you will see your phone starts to work better. Now guys, the last option on our list is just going to be to let your phone die off on its own. Now if you've tried every other thing that I've mentioned, you just want to let your phone just turn off by itself and restart it. Now this sometimes can fix the problem, but it should just be the last on your list. Now I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching and please remember to subscribe to the How To channel.
See you next time in my next video. Bye.